Hello everyone, welcome back to Indiana Kayak Fishing Journal. Yesterday, Kelly and I got the chance to get out and fish a northern Indiana river for northern pike. We had a pretty great day. I think we landed about 8 fish, all the way from like a little dinky fish all the way up to a nice big fat 31 inch fish that Kelly got. So we had a great day. One of the things I wanted to talk to you guys about today is something that I've kind of figured out over the course of pike fishing over the last couple of years is that when you're pike fishing, it's so much easier to have single hooks on your lures when you're pike fishing. So what I've done over the last 6 months is I've switched most of my lures to only having one hook. For instance, the spinner baits that we throw, I custom make these, but it only has one hook on the back. I try to position that hook as far towards the back of the lure as I can to try to get more hookups. But not having that trailer hook that a lot of people put on their spinner baits just makes unhooking fish so much easier, and it's a lot better on the fish if you're going to try to release those fish. So like I said, we always try to do that with the spinner baits, and then this is what my jerk baits look like now. So instead of having the stock treble hooks on there, these are 4X strong single hooks. These are inline single hooks. So like I said, you got one on the front, one on the back. When you get a fish on this, it just makes it so much easier to unhook the fish, and it's usually a lot better on the fish as well. It just doesn't tear them up quite as much. So like I said, we had a great day of pike fishing yesterday. Some really great strikes, some really pretty fish. Very cool. I hope you guys enjoy the footage.
Well worth the investigation. One decent fish and one other nice strike. Let me know when you're going to cast again, alright? Or are you just going to start right away? There's one. Pretty decent one too. He's not huge, but there's one. Skinny, man. Skinny as a rail. Alright, sorry dude, here you go. Man, it was going okay to start with. Didn't take us that long to get our first couple of fish. Is it really? Oh yeah, it is. That's pretty nice. Oh, sorry. You're okay. Oh yeah, that's a decent one. Sorry about the hook in your leg. Just swing him over here. Nice. I'm a little wet now. See my glasses? Yeah. I took a look at water right in the face. That's a real nice fish. It's pretty too. It's plain possible like that. Beautiful fish. No, it's nice. That's nice. So that's about as good as you can hope for most times. You don't want your picture with them or anything, do you? There you go. That's a nice fish. That's like a 28 at least. Beautiful. Look, he's not a mark on him either. Plus we just had that single hook in him, so he's good. Didn't even hardly feel it. Ooh. Yeah, nice. was sick. That was amazing. Oh my god. That was so cool. Saw him at the last second, didn't you? That's a big fish.
Yeah. I just got ready to pull it out.
Nice. Don't move. Yes. Right at 30. He's right at the length of the board. That's a nice one. Boy, that is beautiful though. Yeah. Ooh. Got him. Reel, reel. Yeah. Nice. Fighting good, huh? It's a decent fish. Another decent fish. Yeah, better than average. Ooh, it's cold. Nice fish. Yeah, I saw that. It's a nice fish. Beautiful. There's Pike. Can you net this fish for me?